Good day, viewers all over the world. You are welcome to Toydel online class. Today we want to look at logarithms. Logarithm. What is logarithm? The logarithm of a base A of a number P is the index x to which A, this base A, must be raised to be equal to P. I want us to get the definition of logarithm very well. What is logarithm? The logarithm of a base A to a number P is the index x to which A, that base A, must be raised to be equal to P. Thus, if P is equal to A raised per x, then log P base A is equal to x. Log P base A is equal to x. Then we can write P to be equal to A raised per x. This is the index form of writing logarithm. Then when we have log P base A equal to x, is the logarithmic form. So there is a relationship between index and logarithm. I want us to get something right there. So if you have something like log PA is equal to x, invariably what you are trying to say is that this P here, log P here, can be equal to this base A raised per x in the index form. And that is what we are trying to say. And that is what I want us to understand. Because most of the time when we have problem under logarithm, we can actually convert the problem to exponential to indexia form and vice versa. So we want to look at the laws or rules of logarithm. Laws of logarithm. Is that we call it laws or rules? Laws of logarithm. Laws of logarithm. The first law says that if we have log P plus log Q is same thing as log PQ. That is, if you have the addition of log P plus log Q can be equal to log P times Q. Addition of logarithm here we can actually have it as the product there. Just like in case of indices. And of course, let's say the base is A. So if you have log P A minus log Q A is same thing as log P divided by Q base A. When it is subtraction there, we are going to have division. That is what we have there. Then the third law says that if you have log P A raised power n, P raised power n, it simply means that the n can come down to have log P base A. That's the third law. I want us to, we have to learn these laws by heart. We should be able to record these laws offhand. That's the most important thing. That is the third law. Then the fourth law says that if the log and the base are equal, it's equal to 1. When we have say log A base A is equal to 1. That's the fourth law. Then the fifth law says that if you have log 1, that is, if you have log 1 base A is equal to 0. So please, we should learn all this law by heart. Okay? Then there's this law that says that if you have log BA is same thing as the reciprocal of log AB. So I think with these laws, we should be able to solve any problem under logarithm. So in this case now, we are given A as the base. So let's note that logarithm to base 10 are called common logarithm and are written as log A. Like what we have here now. We have A here. So if you under logarithm, if you are given the log without base, you assume the base to be base 10. But in this case now, where we have logarithm, in this case now is base A that we have there. Then these are called common logarithm. They are called common logarithm. But we have the one that is called a natural logarithm. That's what we will discuss that. Then we close. We continue from there some other time. So, for instance, if you have log say 10 base 5, these are called common logarithm, like log what I have here, log maybe PA. All these are called common logarithm. These are called common logarithm. But if you now have log E, say you have something like in form of log E, what do we call that? When we have, these are called common logarithm, but if you have something like log E base X, This one is called in x. This one is called natural logarithm. Natural logarithm. And it's very important in mathematics where we have log. When the base is e exponential, when the base is e, of course e has its own it has its own value on the scientific calculator. I think the value of e is around 2.7. Is around 2. E is given as 2.7 1828 dot dot dot. So whenever you have log e, that the base is e, then it is same thing as it is called n, and it's called the natural logarithm. And if you are given a log without the base, you assume the base to be base 10.